Vigeland Sculpture Park by Gustav Vigeland is one of Norway's top tourist attractions. The park is located in Frogner Park with more than 200 sculptures in bronze, granite, and cast iron. The park is free to enter and open all year round, 24 hours a day. The bridge's 58 bronze sculptures show a rich variety of children, women, and men of different ages. Shared themes for the sculptures on the bridge are play, lust, energy, and vitalism. Vigeland modeled these sculptures in the period 1925 to 1933. There were some of the first sculptures that were mounted in Vigeland Park in the early 1940s. After the bridge, the path should continue through a rose garden, but you would see that the season is transitioning from winter to spring. Unfortunately, there were no flowers nor bright green grass during filming. The fountain was the earliest sculpture unit in the park. In the center of the basin are 6 giants holding the large saucer-shaped vessel aloft, and from it, a curtain of water should spill down around them. The men, representing different ages, may be interpreted as toiling with the burden of life. Water, a universal symbol of fertility, is used within the fountain complex in a meaningful juxtaposition with the 20 tree groups on the surrounding parapet, the latter evidently symbolizing the tree of life. The tree groups represent a romantic expression of man's relationship to nature. They also form the setting for life's evolving stages, stretching from childhood and adolescence through adulthood to old age and death. The monolith stands at the highest point in Vigeland Park and measures 17 meters above ground. The sculpture is carved out of one stone block, hence the name. The stone was originally shot out of the quarry in Idefjord and transported to the park during the late 1920s. The sculpture depicts 121 human figures clinging and floating together. There's women and men of different ages, and the top of the monolith is crowned with children. The sculpture has been interpreted as a kind of vision of resurrection and our longing and striving for spirituality. West from the monolith is the bronze Wheel of Life, which was modeled in 1933 to 34 and was erected in 1949. The wheel is a symbol of eternity and is designed as a rotating wreath of women, men, and children who hold each other for eternity. This is how this sculpture summarizes the park's entire dramatic theme, which is a sculpture's reflection on man's journey from cradle to grave, through joy and sorrow, through dreams, imagination, hope, and eternal longings. And here, you will find the iconic Anger Boy, which is on the left side of the bridge, facing the monolith.